Hey, this is Hans, and it's time, excuse me, for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Rater for a discount. This is a Daikoku big Yakisoba. I'll show you what I mean. It's from Japan. It's what you call a sauce yakisoba. I believe it's a sauce yakisoba. But check that noodle block out. That's a little much, I gotta say. That's pretty freaking big. So we are going to add liquid to this. I'm sure this is 3 minutes. My God, that's ridiculous. What's the deal? Yeah, 3 minutes. Yeah. 3 minutes. And we need a plate. You will see what happens once all is revealed. Wow, this is a lot. It's hydrating quickly. Yeah, this will be fine. I don't know, it's dry, so that's kind of a sad deal. But, to rock around, it's right on time. It's tricky. See what I'm doing there? What's the third one? Third one will not be using pork glue. I guess I'll have to use all this pork. This is the chashu I made. It came out square. Really not thrilled about that, but what can you do? Except use it up as fast as possible, and yeah. My God, somebody is like going ba-ding, ba-ding. I'm getting blowed up on Facebook. What plate to use? This one. Oh, but what am I going to use with that one? Yeah, it's not Yakisoba. It can use this. It's 114? No, yeah. It's 114. And I'm waiting for noodles. It's hard, man. I really enjoy all this walking stuff. This waiting for noodles thing. It's just like I should be out walking in the hot temperature. I'm getting a tan. Look at that. There's where I don't have a tan, you know? So yeah. It's hard. Somebody keeps going, ding! Dude, where are you? I'm making noodles. Which certainly appear to be done already. But I must continue my way. There we go. Alright. Say that? My mom used to say that. Oh, criminy! You know what's really funny? So we don't want our kids to be like cursing like sailors, like we kind of do. But my daughter. So my wife goes to California and comes back, and I'll talk more about that on the next episode. When she gets back, And she got the kids a couple little treats. They're like, you know, in the bottom it's like a handle and it has candy in it. And then the top has like a character. Hers has Minnie Mouse. And you push the button and it looks like she's on an airplane, but you push the button. It's either an airplane or a helicopter. I want to say it's an airplane. And then the propeller spins. And it's like a fan. You ever seen that? No? We must not have kids or go places. But anyways, got the candy out, put it in the handle. She's all excited, walking around, prancing around with it. And it all falls out on the floor. And you really don't want to eat anything off the floor because even though Pepper's doing a lot better than she used to, it doesn't matter. The dog has peed and pooed on the carpet so many times. We clean it. But yeah, it's not a great place to store your foods. So she drops it on the carpet, right? And God, what did she was just like, oh, piss. It's like, what? We just looked at each other and like couldn't believe it. It just sounds like such a little old lady thing to say. Oh, piss. Yeah. So here's our yakisoba. Give it another try. It's not bad. Very dry. It needs an oil component. And I've said that about plenty of yakisoba I've tried, folks. That when you just have the dry component, it's just not enough. Here's the beautiful chashu I made. Have a little protein before I go back out. That's the problem. It's really good, but it just came out like the stuff you get at the Chinese restaurant. It's not as colorful, and it ended up being in a bath of fat, and it's come out perfect every time except for this one. So I guess I was due to have one that didn't come out looking all that wonderful. But I mean, it's good chashu. The ratio of sweet and salty is just divine. It's really truly a wonderful thing, folks. Behold and be amazed and in wonder. Yeah. I just gotta admit, I'm not feeling it. And I know I'm getting this done because I need to get this done. But I just want to be outside. I don't want to be with you people. You're holding me down. And technically, I really don't have to get this done, but I should. There's a ton of yakisoba and some spring onion. I mean, it's good. If you like yakisoba, you'll like this. I would recommend, though, if I were making this for myself, I'd add a little bit of oil, something, because it is dry as the desert. It really needs to have that noodle lubricant of some form. And you got to admit, this is a freaking ungodly large amount of yakisoba. So let's allow Rotato to do its thing, and you can just sit there and watch. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one I'm really excited about. They got two varieties of this, an original and a hot and spicy. This is Best Walk with their corned behoon. I've sampled this before, the noodle, but this is like a complete set, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. So yeah, that's gonna be the next one. Cool. All right, well, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.